Morning, everyone. Anything particularly pressing I should know about before I dive in? Any critical patients needing immediate attention? Alright, let's get started. I'll review the overnight reports now. Chest pain, shortness of breath, abdominal pain. Okay, potential MI, possible pneumonia. Rule out appendicitis. Right. Sarah, can you prioritize these three for me? I want an EKG on the chest pain patient ASAP. Okay? Thank you. Hey, Dr. Kevin. What do I owe the pleasure? I see. Is it swelling? Is there any deformity? Huh. Well, probably just a sprain, but run an x-ray just to make sure? Mm-hmm. Anyways, how's your first week at the ER? Oh yeah? ER not giving you a headache yet? Wait, no! You did not just say that. Don't be oblivious, you just said the Q word. Great. Everyone, can you remind Kevin here why we don't say the Q word in this hospital? Anyways, whatever, let's just prepare, alright? I'm gonna do some rounds. I'll see you around. Shit. Here we go. Hey, what happened? Car crash? How many are we expecting? Any casualty? Good. Good to know there's no casualty. Alright, Kevin, can you call Dr. Yang to assist, please? Wait, is that? Oh my god. Go! Call Dr. Yang now! Wait! Stop! Wait! What happened to him? Minor bruises? Fractured arm? Was he involved in the crash? Okay, nurse, can you please assist this patient to a bed, and I want you to call ortho to check on his arm, okay? Let's talk later, okay? You'll be okay. I'll check on you after the other urgent patient. Alright? What? Don't be sorry. I'll see you later, okay? I see Dr. Hubs bandaged you up good. Hi. How are you? Are you feeling okay? I'm sorry I didn't come sooner. There's a lot of patient and I couldn't... What happened? Why were you driving since you were supposed to be at work? And how did the accident happen? Were you even wearing your seatbelt? You know I hate it when you don't prioritize your safety. What if something worse happened? Please tell me you weren't speeding too. Okay, deep breath. Look, I'm just glad you're mostly okay. Fractured arm, bruises. It could have been much worse. Did you hit your head at all? Any dizziness, nausea? Good. Good. That's reassuring, at least. Nurse Sarah mentioned minor bruises, so we should probably do a head CT to make sure everything is fine. I'll schedule it right away. Any chest pain? Does it hurt when you breathe deeply? What? Okay, we're also doing a chest x-ray just to rule out any internal injuries. I know it's a lot, but I need to be absolutely sure you're okay. The smallest impact can sometimes cause the biggest damage. Baby, I was so scared when I saw you being wheeled in. All I could think about was losing you. Please, promise me you'll be more careful. Not just for yourself, but for me too. Now, tell me everything from the beginning. And this time, leave out no details. Did that reckless driver run the red light? Don't worry. I'll make sure they pay. Imagine how many victims because of his recklessness. Anyways, promise me you won't drive until your arm's healed. And maybe even after, I'll drive you around for a while. I'm so sorry I haven't been around lately. This job has been eating me alive, and I know I haven't been the best girlfriend. But once I get a day off, how about we go somewhere? Hmm? A weekend getaway? Maybe that cabin you love near the lake? Or that new Italian place downtown you've been wanting to try? Or better yet, both. I'll do anything to make it up to you. Yeah, that's a great idea. I've heard amazing things about that exhibit. We should definitely go. And after, we can grab dinner at that little sushi place you love. How's that sound? Good. Hey, I was meaning to ask, why did you say sorry when I first saw you being rushed in? You look like you were in so much pain, but the first thing you did was apologize. That's not normal. What's going on in that head of yours? What? You didn't want to bother me. Baby, you were laying on a gurney. potentially seriously injured and you were worried about bothering me? Honey, I'm a doctor. This is what I do. And more importantly, I love you. Nothing you could ever do would be a bother, especially not when you're hurt. I should be the one apologizing for not being there for you enough lately, not the other way around. Don't you ever feel like you need to protect me from worrying about you? Got it? Your health and well being will always be my top priority. Don't ever forget that, okay? Look, I know I'm not always the easiest person to be with. This job makes me stressed, and I bring that home sometimes, but you're my rock. You make me laugh, you calm me down, and you always know how to make me feel better, even when I don't deserve it. I need you to know that you can always lean on me too, okay? We're a team. I'm going to need you to promise me you'll take it easy for a while. No heavy lifting, no driving, and absolutely no heroics. I know you're a tough guy, but even tough guys need to rest and recover. Consider this a forced vacation. We can binge watch that show you've been wanting to see, order takeout, and just relax. What do you say? You know, while we're waiting for the cast, there's something else I wanted to talk about. You mentioned being stressed at work before the accident. Is everything okay? Is there anything I can do to help? Okay, I hear you. Work stress is never fun. But remember, you don't have to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. Talk to your boss, delegate some tasks, and don't be afraid to take breaks. Your health and well being are more important than any job. That's good to hear. And if you ever need to vent or just talk things through, I'm always here for you, no matter how busy I am. Just promise me you won't bottle things up, okay? We're in this together. You know, even though this whole situation has been terrifying, it's also made me realize how much I cherish you and how important you are to me. I promise I'll try to be a better girlfriend, to be more present and supportive. Thank you for being you and for always being there for me. Alright, Mr. Accident Prone. I'm going to go check on the ortho team to make sure they're taking good care of you. And then I'll be back with some payments and a game plan for our forced vacation. Get some rest, okay? And I'll see you soon. Oh, and one more thing. If I catch you trying to sneak out of that bed, there will be consequences. Doctor's orders. Now, stay put.